At every school sponsored by the Brothers of Holy Cross, vocation promotion has always been a priority for us. And Notre Dame High School prides itself on the number of alumni who have chosen to serve the Church as priests and as brothers. This evening, we honor the memory of Father Thomas Goekler, class of 1959, whose vocation story began here with a talk given at Notre Dame in his senior year by a visitor who is now on the road to sainthood. Father Goekler served the Church here in the Archdiocese of Hartford for 30 years before joining the Maryknoll missionaries, where he served in Nicaragua and in Guatemala. It's my pleasure now to introduce Joseph Cirasuolo, class of 59, who will share his own reflections on the life and work of his classmate, Father Thomas Goekler.
Approximately 12 years ago, Tom died in his sleep in Guatemala. His work, however, lives on through Caminando por la Paz, which Tom initiated. Young people who live in the most poverty-stricken and dangerous neighborhoods in Guatemala have a chance to live healthy and productive lives because of Caminando por la Paz. Tom's work also lives on in the house that he purchased on the hill in New Haven and gave over to programs that help victims of institutional poverty and discrimination. Today, thousands of people are better off because of the work that Tom did. Because Tom was always clear about the reality he saw, he was at times controversial. Like his original inspiration, Dorothy Day, he was considered by some as an enemy to the United States and even to the Catholic Church. Nothing could be further from the truth. Tom believed with every fabric of his being that everyone is created equal with God-given inalienable rights, and that nobody can express love for someone else better than being willing to sacrifice his life for those others. He lived his life exemplifying these essential American and Christian values. That also brought him into firsthand experience with the institutional reasons why kids join gangs in the first place. And this motivated Tom to double down on his efforts and gave rise to an anger he felt towards the institutions and the people leading them. It also motivated Tom to apply for and be accepted as a priest in the Maryknoll order. So it's entirely fitting that this school, where the seeds of where Tom's extraordinary life began because of the seeds that were planted here, now recognizes him as a Notre Dame Knight of Honor. In doing so, however, the school also honors itself and continues its commitment to plant seeds in young people so that they too can devote their lives to loving God by serving others.